Camping has never been this cool. From solar-powered gadgets to inflatable furniture, there's a tech toy for every outdoor enthusiast. Imagine sipping hot coffee, brewed on a compact stove while charging your phone with a portable solar panel. Or pitching a tent in the wilderness and relaxing on an inflatable couch. These days, camping isn't just about roughing it. It's about enjoying the great outdoors with a touch of modern convenience. So, whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, there's a gadget out there to make your next adventure epic. In today's videos are camping gadgets and invention. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you do not miss any of our interesting videos like this. Let's get started. Number 1. CLIQ Portable Chair. The CLIQ Portable Chair is a compact, foldable outdoor chair designed for convenience and comfort on the go. Weighing just a little over 3 pounds, it folds down to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly easy to carry in a backpack or even hang on a bag. Despite its small size, the CLIQ chair provides sturdy support, holding up to 300 pounds, thanks to its aluminum frame and durable, weather-resistant fabric. Setting up the chair is a breeze, taking only a few seconds, making it ideal for camping, festivals, beach trips, or any outdoor activity. Its blend of portability, strength, and quick assembly make the CLIQ chair a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Nitecore Mosquito Repeller. The Nitecore Mosquito Repeller is a portable, highly effective device designed to protect users from mosquitoes in outdoor settings. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or other adventures where mosquitoes can be an issue. The device uses heat to activate mosquito repellent mats, creating a protective zone that keeps insects at bay without needing harsh sprays or lotions. With multiple modes, the Nitecore Mosquito Repeller lets users adjust the intensity based on the environment, covering up to 16 square feet. It's USB rechargeable, offering convenience and eco-friendliness, and has a durable design that can withstand outdoor conditions. Its simple operation, quiet performance, and reliable mosquito repellent power make it a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts looking for practical pest protection. Number 3. GoSun Solar Table. The GoSun Solar Table is a multifunctional, eco-friendly outdoor table designed to harness solar energy to power various devices. This innovative table features integrated solar panels that generate electricity, allowing users to charge phones, laptops, or other gadgets while outdoors. Ideal for camping, picnics, and backyard gatherings, the solar table is equipped with a USB port and a 15-watt solar panel, providing sustainable energy without needing an external power source. Made with durable, weather-resistant materials, it's built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Additionally, the table can pair with GoSun's solar-powered appliances such as portable ovens or coolers, creating a fully solar-powered setup for off-grid living. The GoSun Solar Table combines functionality, sustainability, and style, making it perfect for eco-conscious adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 4. Teton Celsius Sleeping Bag is a comfortable, durable sleeping bag designed to keep you warm in various outdoor conditions. Known for its soft, double-layer construction, it provides excellent insulation and warmth retention, ideal for camping in cooler weather. The Celsius line offers different temperature ratings, allowing users to choose the right bag for their environment, from mild to colder climates. With its spacious rectangular design, the bag provides more room than traditional mummy bags, giving sleepers extra comfort and movement. It also includes an adjustable hood to keep heat in around your head and shoulders. Made with rugged, tear-resistant fabric on the exterior and a cozy, brushed lining, the Teton Celsius sleeping bag is a reliable choice for comfortable outdoor sleep. Number 5. Alpcour Folding Camping Cot. The Alpcour Folding Camping Cot is a portable, durable cot designed for outdoor comfort, whether camping, hiking, or for extra home bedding. Constructed with a high-strength steel frame and a supportive 600D polyester fabric, it holds up to 300 pounds, offering stability and comfort on rough terrain. The cot folds down compactly and sets up in seconds, making it easy to transport and ideal for those who prioritize convenience. A built-in side pocket provides storage for essentials like a phone, flashlight, or water bottle, enhancing its functionality. Lightweight yet sturdy, the Alpcour cot is also elevated to keep you off cold or damp ground, providing a comfortable, supportive sleep surface in any outdoor setting. It's a reliable option for campers and travelers alike. Number 6. Stinger 2020 Rechargeable Flashlight is a high-performance, versatile flashlight designed for reliability in tough environments. Known for its powerful, adjustable beam, it offers up to 2,000 lumens of brightness, ideal for law enforcement, emergency use, or outdoor activities. The Stinger 2020 features a unique, ergonomic design with a non-slip rubberized grip and dual-switch functionality, allowing for easy mode changes and quick activation. With multiple light settings, including high, medium, low, and strobe, it adapts to various needs, from intense illumination to extended runtime. The flashlight is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, delivering long-lasting power and easily recharged via a USB port. With its durable, impact-resistant construction, the Stinger 2020 is built to withstand harsh conditions, making it a dependable lighting solution. Number 7. KITWLEMEN Camping Fan with LED Lantern is a compact, multifunctional tool designed for comfort and convenience in outdoor settings. It combines a powerful fan with a bright LED lantern, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency use. The fan has 3 adjustable speed settings, providing airflow to stay cool in warm weather, while the LED lantern features 3 brightness levels to illuminate your space. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers long-lasting performance, with up to 25 hours of light or 40 hours of fan use on a single charge. It's also equipped with a hanging hook and foldable handle, making it easy to set up in tents, hang from branches, or place on surfaces. The KITWLEMEN fan is a versatile, efficient camping essential. Number 8. The LE Pro LED Camping Lantern is a highly versatile, reliable lighting solution designed for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or household use. With a powerful LED light output of up to 1,000 lumens, it illuminates large areas, making it perfect for camping, hiking, and power outages. The lantern offers 4 lighting modes: daylight white, warm white, combined white, and flash, allowing users to customize brightness levels based on their needs. Powered by 3D batteries, the LE Pro lantern provides up to 12 to 25 hours of continuous light, depending on the mode selected. Its durable, water-resistant design makes it suitable for all weather conditions, while the sturdy handle and hanging hook add flexibility for various setups. Lightweight and portable, the LE Pro LED Camping Lantern combines brightness, efficiency, and adaptability for any lighting requirement. Number 9. Thermacell MR450 Armored Portable Mosquito Repeller is a rugged, effective solution for keeping mosquitoes at bay, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. This portable device creates a 15-foot protection zone, repelling mosquitoes without sprays, scents, or flames, making it both clean and easy to use. It works by heating replaceable scent-free repellent mats, which release an insect-repelling vapor to form a barrier against mosquitoes. Built with a durable, armored shell and rubber grips, the MR450 is designed to withstand rough outdoor conditions, from camping to hiking. It features a zone check indicator, which confirms the repeller is working effectively. Lightweight and portable, the MR450 provides up to 12 hours of protection per refill, and is a go-to choice for a mosquito-free experience in the great outdoors. Number 10. Katadyn Hiker Pro Transparent Water Filter is a lightweight, reliable water filtration system ideal for backpacking, camping, and emergency preparedness. With a transparent design, it allows users to monitor the filtration process, ensuring the filter is working effectively. It uses a 0.2 micron glass fiber filter to remove bacteria, protozoa, and other harmful microorganisms, making natural water sources safe to drink. The Hiker Pro can filter up to 1 liter per minute, providing fast, efficient hydration on the go. Additionally, its activated carbon core improves taste by reducing chemicals and odors. Weighing just 11 ounces, the Hiker Pro is compact and easy to carry. It includes quick connect fittings and a cleanable filter protector for extended use, making it a dependable choice for outdoor adventurers. Number 11. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Camping Stove is a versatile, high-performance cooking system designed for outdoor enthusiasts and campers. Featuring a powerful dual-burner design, it delivers a combined output of 10,000 BTUs, allowing for quick and efficient meal preparation. The stove includes a patented igniter for easy lighting, even in challenging weather conditions. Its integrated pot support accommodates various cookware, while the 5-liter flux pot is perfect for cooking for groups. The compact design makes it easy to pack and transport, and the stove's fuel-efficient operation ensures longer cooking times with less fuel consumption. The Genesis Basecamp stove is ideal for car camping or base camping, providing reliable cooking capabilities in a convenient, user-friendly package. Number 13. The One by Mars Players. Mars Players is redefining the camping experience with their innovative One gadget. This all-in-one device seamlessly integrates a kitchen, heater, lighting system, and first aid kit, making it the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts. By streamlining your camping gear and reducing the need for multiple bulky items, Mars Players empowers you to explore the wilderness with ease and efficiency. The One is not just a technological marvel, but also an eco-conscious choice. Designed with sustainability in mind, it minimizes your environmental impact while maximizing your enjoyment of nature. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a novice adventurer, Mars Players' commitment to innovation and sustainability makes them a leading force in the outdoor industry. Number 14. Osprey Atmos AG 65. The Osprey Atmos AG 65 is a backpack built for serious outdoor adventures. Its standout feature is the anti-gravity suspension system, which uses a mesh back panel to provide exceptional ventilation and weight transfer to the hips. This design reduces back fatigue, making it ideal for multi-day hikes and backpacking trips. The pack offers ample storage with multiple compartments and pockets, including a dedicated sleeping bag compartment and stretch mesh side pockets for water bottles. Its durable construction and weather-resistant materials ensure it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. Additionally, features like stow-on-the-go trekking pole attachment and an integrated rain cover add convenience and protection. Whether you're tackling challenging trails or exploring remote wilderness, the Osprey Atmos AG 65 is a reliable and comfortable companion that will enhance your outdoor experience. Number 15. Dometic Patrol 35L Slate Cooler is a robust and efficient portable cooler designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its durable roto-molded construction ensures longevity and can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The advanced insulation technology, featuring a combination of high-density foam and freezer-grade sealing gaskets, maintains optimal temperature retention, keeping your food and beverages chilled for extended periods. The Patrol 35L offers ample storage space to accommodate a variety of items, from drinks and snacks to ice packs. Its convenient features, such as integrated bottle openers and tie-down points, enhance usability and make it easy to transport. The cooler's sleek slate design complements its functionality, adding a touch of style to your outdoor adventures. Whether you're embarking on a camping trip, fishing expedition, or a backyard barbecue, the Dometic Patrol 35L is a reliable and versatile companion. Number 16. SOG Tactical Tomahawk. The SOG Tactical Tomahawk is a versatile tool designed for survival, tactical, and outdoor enthusiasts. It features a sharp, durable blade capable of cutting, chopping, and prying. The hammerhead is ideal for striking, breaking, and driving objects. The tool's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure grip, even in demanding conditions. Constructed from high-quality materials, the SOG Tactical Tomahawk is built to last. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, while its sheath provides convenient storage and protection. Whether you're exploring the wilderness, preparing for emergencies, or simply seeking a reliable tool for everyday tasks, the SOG Tactical Tomahawk is a reliable and effective choice. Number 17. The LifeStraw Peak Series Collapsible Water Filter is a compact and reliable solution for purifying water on the go. Its advanced filtration technology effectively removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, ensuring safe drinking water from a variety of sources, including lakes, rivers, and even questionable water sources. The filter's collapsible design makes it easy to pack and carry, while its integrated straw allows for convenient and hands-free drinking. The Peak series is also durable and built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Its lightweight and compact design make it ideal for backpacking, camping, and emergency preparedness. Whether you're hiking through remote wilderness or simply seeking a reliable water filtration solution for everyday use, the LifeStraw Peak series offers peace of mind and ensures access to clean, safe drinking water. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like and share for you not to miss any of our interesting videos like this. We love you.